I'm ABC 17 Storm Track Chief Meteorologist Jessica Hafner. I'm tracking strong to severe thunderstorms moving across mid-Missouri this afternoon. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued for north central Callaway and southern Audrain County until 4:45. It's for the cell that just worked through Columbia, bringing some strong winds and some small hail. And that is going to be the main threat with this storm as it tracks off to the east. 60-mile-per-hour winds and possibly quarter-size hail are possible with this storm, especially here in this area. And I'm going to point out, I'll try to draw it here for you. This hail core that is across portions of eastern Boone County. I'll get a little bit closer so I can show you exactly where that hail is coming down. Right along I-70 is where we're going to see that threat, or just north of there in Boone County, moving into Callaway. And it's going to be this severe thunderstorm that we'll be tracking for at least the next 45 minutes or so. This is going to continue until 4:45. It includes areas just north of Fulton, right along I-70 in Callaway County, and just south of Mexico. The storm itself is tracking generally east at around 35 to 40 miles per hour. And again, it is producing some very heavy rainfall. It just moved through Columbia within the last 10 minutes or so. So we'll put the track on that. It's going to be approaching Avaz by 4:16, Wellsville at 4:56, and Montgomery City as that continues to track east by around 5:02. So in the next hour, this will continue to chug along I-70 and bring that threat for some torrential rain. We saw quite a bit of rainfall as that passed through the Columbia area. And again, we are on the air before a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of north central Callaway County and southern Audrain County until 4:45. Also watching some showers and storms developing out to the west of that. These will continue filling in for the rest of tonight. I am expecting us to see that severe threat through late this evening. We'll go ahead and take a look at some of our weather cameras here. We'll go back over to our studio camera in Columbia. This is going to be looking west down Business Loop 70. So we still have quite a bit of rainfall trying to come down, but the worst of the storm has passed Columbia. Here's another look on the other side of Columbia on the west side. We are still seeing rain coming down fairly heavy, but the severe threat has exited Columbia for this time. So we'll go back out to our radar, and we are going to be continuing to track the threat for strong storms, at least for the next 45 minutes or so, as this warned thunderstorm continues to track off to the east. So areas north of I-70 in Callaway County, just south of Mexico, going to be watching those locations for the severe threat. Again, the threats are going to be up to 60-mile-per-hour winds and 1-inch hail with this storm. We're going to continue monitoring other storm development for the rest of tonight. We'll let you know if we need to do any more updates. Otherwise, we'll see you tonight on ABC 17 News at 5 with the latest track of these storms throughout the rest of this evening.